Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets, and I'm going to move on to dollar yen now. And this dollar yen chart, well, I've sort of focused on this several times over the past 2 or 3 weeks really, but every time you get a reaction in one specific direction for a couple of days, maybe 3 days, you start to see then subsequently that being retraced again. And it makes trading dollar yen very difficult if you're going to trade over a period of several days. So you've got to make sure that you stick close to your movements, stick close to your stops and your targets. I think in light of if you're going to run a position for maybe a couple of days, make sure that you don't see that potential profit that you're running turn around. So this is what we're seeing. We're seeing fairly choppy trading. And that is pretty much reflective in all the momentum indicators, pretty much flat on the RSI, flat on the MACD lines, and fairly choppy on the stochastics as well. Now, on the intraday chart, you can see I've zoomed out slightly here to show you basically that we're still posting higher highs, one across there, across the top over the last few weeks, and also higher lows as well. We've got this above 118.30, which is the big support there. You've got 118.70 and just slightly higher there at 119, just above 119 figure. I still believe that 119.40 is a key pivot level near term, and pretty much as we speak we've just retreated back towards that pivot level, and it'll be interesting to see if we hold on to it. Just slightly left a high at 119.74, but I think the initial resistance you need to be looking out for is this pivot level around 120 figure. Produced the lows of 10th and the 13th, and also was a bit of a spike high yesterday. So I think 120 figure is a level that you need to watch out for. But as I said, this is fairly choppy, and it looks like it's going to remain choppy. There's no real trend developing on the intraday chart, and I still see this in terms of the moving averages fairly choppy, sort of fairly messy as well, pretty much flat, not really doing a great deal. And I just think that maybe trading above 119.40 you're sort of on the positive side, maybe back below it you're on the more negative side within this band, which I see between 118.30 and that's an old resistance, so let's just say it's 120.84 now, which is what it is. And so yeah, I see that continuing to be the trend, just sideways but choppy within that. So watch out for your data points. You've got a lot of US data that could drive this move today, and I think it could be again once more a little bit of a choppy one. So watch out for that pivot around 119.40 on a technical basis. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again later. Thank you.